Hi everyone, I am Bharath Kumar, security consultant at Redfox Cybersecurity Academy, and I am heading to Black Hat USA to train professional and advanced advisory tactics and evasion. Get ready because this training goes far beyond the basics. In modern offensive security, success is not just about landing execution. It's about stealth, timing, adaptability, and knowing how to operate in environments built to detect you. A lot of professionals know the tools. Fewer understand the mindset, discipline, and trade trap required to move like a real adversary. If you are tired of surface level training and want to build skills that actually matter in serious engagements, this is exactly where you need to be. At Redfox Cybersecurity Academy, we focus on practical capability. At Black Hat USA, I am going to show you how advanced operators think, how they adapt under pressure, and how they approach evasion in mature enterprise environments. We are going to dive into advanced advisory methodology and real-world operational thinking, evasion techniques designed to reduce visibility and bypass defensive controls, detection-aware execution strategies with a focus on precision and stealth, threat trap that helps you operate with control, discipline, and intent. Practical approaches you can apply during real-world red team and adversary simulation engagement. This is not a session where you sit back and watch slides all day. You will be working through hands-on scenarios that reflect the kind of pressure, decision-making, and technical depth required in real offensive operations. If you want to understand how real advisory approach stealth, execution, and evasion, this training is built for you. Black Hat USA is where serious professionals come to level up, challenge themselves, and learn from real-world experience. Seats are limited, and this training is designed for those who want more than theory. Join me for advanced advisory tactics and evasion at Black Hat USA. I'll see you there.